Alright, so last video, we were at Steven's house, putting the subwoofer in the Beamer. On the way home, I did mess up my lip. As you can see, it was actually like hanging like this. And then I just ripped it off because I didn't want it flying on the road because it was escaping on the floor and shit. So now I'm gonna see if I can put this back onto the car, make it look somewhat okay. Because right now it looks kind of, it's missing, you know what I'm saying? So just want to put it back up. If it's a little cracked up, that's whatever, but I just don't want it falling off. So that's the mission today. And then later on, we're heading to the track. Okay, so I managed to put it on. It still looks a little messed up over here, but there's nothing we can do about that. Realistically, I should get a new lip, but I'm being cheap. I'm not trying to pay. I literally had this for like 2 weeks. I waited 2 months for the splitter to come in. Drove it for like 3 weeks, and this happened. So, I sent like 2 self-tap screws onto the bottom. See that right here. Seems sturdy. I mean, the reason it broke was because I I scraped. Not because it flew off on the highway. So right now I'm just scared of it flying off on the highway. But should be good. Let me put the car back on the floor. Alright, car's back on the floor. Not bad. Car's looking cleanish again, you know? Alright, so what we got going on for the rest of the day is we're gonna head over to Cayuga later on in about an hour or so. My boy Chris is gonna track his car. Maybe my boy James, he might bring his RSX as well. It should be a good day. Just get some ride-alongs, you know. We'll see what happens. Alright, just got here. Made me park outside because I guess I'm not competing or something. So this is where we're parking. The lift held up. Made it here. So yeah, we're gonna walk up to the entrance and then see what's going on. Alright, James, talk to him.
Motor swap.
Whoa, what year is this thing?
Wow, this guy. Serious. 2003. 380,000 kilometers on the show. Motor, tranny's been in there for 5, 6, 7 years almost, maybe longer. 2016. Full exhaust. Wheels, obviously, spoon calipers up front for the braking. Full interior for everybody, so you know, ride to the track and go home, no problem. Bucket seat, quick release steering wheel, track alignment, and yeah, pretty much it.
Nothing done to the engine?
Bolt-ons, 217
Yo, let's show him, bro.
horsepower.
What are you doing? What are you doing right now? Let's show him.
Oh,
bro.
you want me to pop the hood?
Let's pop the hood right now.
It's nothing crazy, and also my engine bay is dirty for those people.
Yeah.
Shit. You know, because you have some people that just, you know.
Cheers!
Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Bolt-ons, change the valve cover. Nothing crazy. Stock power. The whole purpose is to go to the track and make it home, no problems. And yes, it's filthy because I don't pop my hood ever.
Oh, it's only for the camera. Exclusive content. Exclusive content.
Yes, you're very lucky. You got it.
Only gonna see it here.
Yep.
Then you got the half cage in here, no?
Negative on the half cage, just a harness bar that's for my camera.
Harness bar for his camera. Pretty clean.
It's not bad. It's not bad. Not bad for a 20, how old is it now? 22-year-old car?
You gonna send it to you or what?
Huh?
You gonna send it today or what?
But nice and easy. And see what happens, see what we do, see what we can get. And go from there.
That's fucking sick. New Lotus? So right now we're gonna post up over there. I'm parked up over here. Little drivers meeting.
and then they're gonna be on the track. What the hell is going on over there? Let's take a look. Seven seconds, 6 seconds, 5.9 and 6.4. That's fucking nuts. Smoke that thing made most of them. That's crazy. Look, freaking cloud now, bro. Look, it was sunny, cloud. Jeez.
Everything's just getting.
All right, so the man took out everything from his car. This guy too, because it's distracting when it rattles, right, Chris?
Even no t-shirt, like you can't have no nothing.
No t-shirt. Yo, that saves him like 2 seconds lap time, bro.
I left the drawers on.
All that dirt he's cleaning, all that dirt he's cleaning, that's like 5 seconds, fam. This is Chris's build right here. Let me get out the way. Clean. Fully gutted. Yo, this is full race car, no stereo, nothing, bro.
Just fucking brown guy inside car.
Just brown vibes in the car.
Fuck around.
Chris is off.
Going down is stiffer. Going up is taken out.
Oh, other way around.
Yeah.
So I went stiffer.
What do you mean by that?
Now it's cool down time, yeah?
Yeah, first session.
Cool down.
First session, let it breathe. Let it breathe. I'm slow today, so.
So now you got a feel for the track. You know, once you go back out again, you're gonna be better now, yeah?
Yeah, a bit, yeah.
Yeah.
Hopefully, fingers crossed.
That's the idea.
Exactly.
That's the idea.
Exactly.
What are you doing? You're fine-tuning the suspension right now?
Yeah, I did some dampening setup. Kind of messing around with it.
You're going,
I'm kind of dealing with it, so.
You're going stiffer now or what?
Yeah, a little bit more stiffer
bouncing?
from when I was on the street. Less bounce, more bounce, I guess, but I can handle better in the turn.
All right, so walk the viewers to the video, to the build.
Alright, so we got a 2000 Honda Civic SI.
This guy learned from
EJ8.
James. Then he started with the car.
James knows what's going on.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's a K24 TSX 06 Type S oil pump, 50-degree cam gear, TSX cams, ones that came with the car, RDX injectors, 410cc, 76mm throttle body, street manifold with spacer. What else? 6-speed transmission, LSD, 4.7 final drive, Z3 gear set, fully rebuilt carbon synchro tech kit.
And you do this all in your driveway, yeah?
Went in right in my parents' house.
Homemade type shit.
Do it at home. It's worth it. Put in a new crankshaft. Did the piston rings, ARP head studs. Tried the 22-liter Frankenstein swap. Didn't have a good time with it. So I put the old head, the 2.4 head back on, and it's made 250. So I'm happy with the numbers. Car's great.
250 to the wheels, and your car is gutted, so it's light as fuck.
K2 circuit racer suspension, K2 control arms, K2 rear control arms, True Hard subframe brace, rear disc conversion, CRV calipers in the front, RSX calipers in the back. Yeah, bolt-on stuff, easy stuff, nothing crazy.
How often you go to the track? This is your what, 6th time? I just made that number up. I can't lie. Oh shit, that's crazy. I got that right, bro. I just
It's on point.
6th time.
Yeah, but just situating the car. The whole time I didn't get to go fast. Now I actually get to hit it.
Now it's like full race car, ready for the track. Now you can push it to its full potential.
We're here.
Now it's showtime. Showtime. Hey, that could be me. This guy pushed his car too hard. Alternator bolt backed off. Let me show you guys. That bolt backed out over there for his alternator. It's bouncing around. Thought he had rod knock because it was just knocking. So now he's waiting for the car to cool down so he can take out the bumper and fix that because it was hot. Alright, going with Mr. James over here for a ride along. Fortunately, Chris over here, the alternator didn't fix it. I think he spun a bearing. Bad news.
not even stressing, bro. He's got another motor at home, bro. Still sucks, but fuck. That was fun. Smiling for like one entire lap. At one point I was like, holy shit. Chat, should I track my car? Should I track that thing over there? Not that, the one behind it. Should I track it? Let me know in the comments. I might need to change up the wheel and tire setup, but I'm down. It was pretty sick. This guy's got it full built, but everyone's got to start somewhere, and you know, it's a BMW, ultimate driving machine. Leave a comment down below. Alright guys, it's about to leave the track. Successful day, apart from my boy Chris. First time at the track. Yo, honestly, pretty fun. Would I do my own car? It's a little too expensive for my preference, but maybe in the future, if you guys keep liking my videos, keep commenting, keep the subscribers going up, keep subscribing. If you guys keep subscribing, there you go, English, then maybe I can turn this into a track car, or I can just take it to the track one time with the proper wheel setup, or I can get a project track car. It's up to you guys. So like, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one.